Now that's funny.
President of DP is really Buck Rogers, huh?
Oh, yes, it is. And the president of OPD is Flash Gordon Moody.
That's one.
So the IBM company chose you Miss Typeface of 1969, huh?
They certainly did. My MTST broke down again. You know, it seems to me that those machines should work.
People should think.
Graphics.
Finster, you have a terrible habit of procrastinating. You've got to stop putting things off. The time to strike is now. What do you say?
Can't we talk about this tomorrow?
When the clutch drives a cycle shaft, the step of the clutch sleeve contracts. The tip of an armature in front, oh no, in front of the sleeve.
If I can't have it, nobody can.
Can you identify this?
Cold type.
That's the way I described my boyfriend.
I made some valuable contacts today.
I didn't sell anything either.
Can you identify this?
Runaround.
That's what my cold type boyfriend is giving me.
I didn't know that.
The taping and stepping at approximately 200 degrees. Around 280 degrees, the tape has stopped. It stopped completely. As the cam follower reaches the low dwell. Polyethylene.
If you'll sign right here, Whacker, you'll notice I've rated you outstanding on everything except neatness.
Oh, boy.